this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about news. News is something that can really drive the markets and understanding what the markets are doing and reacting to. Okay, so in MetaStock Zenith, we have some of the best news that you can get. And I want to show you a little bit about how you can navigate the top news section. In other videos, we've talked about the news app, but this is around top news and news that's happening across the globe. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in just a little bit. Now, the page I'm looking at here is a page called Top News. I'd first like to show you how to get here. The easiest way to do that is to right-click on the Zenith X. And what we're going to do is go to New Browser. And that would bring up a new browser window. Now, you could do this from Tiles or you could do this from Launcher. Anytime there's a search, you can just type Top News. And I should put a space in it. So if I type Top News, you'll see Top News comes up. So if I do Top News, it'll bring me to this page. Now, this page is kind of the center page of what's happening around the markets and the world that may be driving the markets in any way. Okay, so we can see here on this particular day, we have conflicting U.S.-China talk statements add to global trade confusion. And then there's a wealth of stories about different things here going on. Okay, so we can drill into all this. You can get into different trending topics. And what I really like about this page is it actually takes me in and lets me look for subject matters that matter to me. Up here across the top, you can see I've got Main, and then under Main, I've got things like central bank and global economy, or just general world news. Okay, what's really driving? And the front page is the best thing for that right here. If I were to click on world news, you can see it takes me into more generic news that's not specifically market focused. Okay, if I'm interested in things like commodities, well, I can come over to the commodities, and there's a commodities page, an energies page, metals page, agricultural commodities. So if I were to drill into energy, this would be energy news that's kind of drilling the markets. Okay, if I went into companies, there's U.S. companies, U.S., European, or Asian. So if I were to click into Europe here, you can see a lot of the European news coming through. So here's an example of different markets. So global, foreign exchange, fixed income. So if I went into foreign exchange, you could see that. Now, one of the things that shows up right here, you may see these two little hovering icons. Anytime I see that, it means I can pop it out, and it's going to put it into a streaming news feed for me rather than in this more static view. So if you prefer the streaming news, you can do that. And then national, then we have regional and sports and lifestyle if you also want to get sports news. And here, we've got that for you as well. Okay, so this is a great way to kind of segment all your news. Now, when you're in these pages, you may see a little view like this. And this will kind of take it so you can take pictures out of it if you want more just kind of headlines that you can click into. And then, of course, any of these are full news stories. So if you drill into it, you're going to get a full news story around it as well. This is a great way, again, for you to just quickly look at the market news. What's happening, what's driving the markets, and how you should get to the information that you're after. So use Top News on a daily basis to get in, look at that market news, what's driving it, and what can help you be the most successful in your trading. Thanks for watching, and successful trading.